Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in your State Street account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to get logged in into the account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.statestreetbank.com. Once you do this, you will end up in this page where you can find the account access section. So simply type in your username and hit the login button. Then you need to type in your username again and tap on the continue option. However, if you have forgotten your account's password, then simply tap on the forgot section and type in your email address and your username for your account recovery. Once all these sections are filled in and you are done with it, you can simply tap on the next option, which is given right below the email section. So once all these credentials are filled in and you are all set to go, you will be logged in into your State Street Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.